Alright, so this is a suggestion via a donation. The name of the video is 5 scary videos filmed by doorbell cameras. Guys, I don't do well with these. I don't do well at all. But listen, let's check it out.
Number 5.
Let's see where this takes us.
What you're looking at. Number 5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Tick fire.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Evacuate the fire coming up!
Listen, you guys are safe for the moment. This is crazy. Just be calm and get in the car and get out of here right now.
Get your dog!
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
It's okay.
Whoa.
Oh my God, this son is back!
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Right. It's obvious, luckily, because we see the doorbell camera. But, whoa.
Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Bro, you know we see you, right?
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice.
Right.
This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage,
What do you need?
but then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Right. Hopefully this was in like a state that is okay with all of our rights, right? Hopefully it's not in one of these like states that hate our rights.
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo!
Right.
For real.
Like he should be right now on the ground right now by your barbecue. But either way,
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
oh my, right. Oh my.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
Right.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again.
Guys, I am very uncomfortable watching these videos, bro. I thought we were gonna be good, but we're just watching.
He's
these
looking a
type
bit
of
anxious.
videos.
He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove. No prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Yeah, I'm gonna call this a violent, forceful entry. If you know, you know. But I'm gonna call that.
Then he calls someone on the radio.
Oh, they're organized. Like, you don't see the camera, bro.
partner arrives.
Like, how can you not see this camera?
Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
Oh! Guys, if you did not know, it is extremely important to have some type of security system. Specifically one of these Ring doorbell things, guys. I think it's probably mandatory now, specifically as we're going into these hard times. Oh my God.
Number 2.
Look, I'm anxious.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These 2 suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Oh. Oh ho. Okay. So what we're doing here.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
No, he's not. I think you guys like messing with me by sending me these things.
He tries
My hands
again.
are sweaty. Bro, I am not opening the door. I want you to kick it. Kick the door. Kick it one time, please. I beg you.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but
Right.
these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
I honestly hope
Okay, give me a second.
all these people are in jail.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
He's bigger, so they're putting him up front.
They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Oh, please go to jail. Please go to jail right now. Like, catch him. Like, catch him right now.
Finally,
please.
they give up and they walk away empty-handed.
Yeah, they hit the cop cars. Yeah, but unfortunately, sorry. Fortunately, both of you pulled your masks down. Guys, if you know anyone that is like these people, please send them immediately to jail. All right? Call. It's fine, guys. The more we can get rid of this filth completely, the faster we can get rid of this filth, us normal people, right, we'll be able to live in peace and harmony, in a sense. But we need to get rid of this filth. right? The people who just want to live and take advantage of people and things like that, guys, get rid of them immediately. Worthless human beings.
Number 1, a tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this. This has been documented reality.
Okay. Oh, God. Listen, this last one was absolutely realistic. Well, because it's real, right? But here's the problem, guys. So I recently went through a tornado that ripped the roof off my house, broke all the doors, knocked down like 4 trees. Like one of those super rare Georgia tornadoes. Okay. It was the scariest event I've ever encountered in my entire life, guys. All right. Imagine you sitting inside of a house and your roof just exiting. Your roof. How does your roof go? How does your roof leave? Yeah. Okay. It was wild. It sounds like a train riding down the tracks, guys. That's kind of the sound it sounds like, guys. It's freakishly scary, right? It's like, listen, Mother Nature absolutely strongly detests us, guys. Whew. I never want to experience another one of those again, guys. I'm telling you, like I think I'm almost positive. Well, I do know because I had to see a therapist after this for like a month, guys, right? Because I couldn't sleep. Apparently, I have some type of PTSD from the tornadoes, and this right here did not just help me. Thank you. Okay, it did not help. But all right, you guys all have an absolutely amazing day. Let me know in the comments the next one of these I should be checking out. I'll get into that as soon as I possibly can. All right, and listen, you guys all have an absolutely amazing day. Enjoy your day thoroughly.